Bu yil menda chet elga chiqa olmadim degan neadekvatniy negativ fikrlar bo'lmadi, chunki men Toshkentni eng shikarniy nuqtasidaman. Bir kun kelib motivdan stories olsam ham bu joylarni unutmasam kerak.
The fans is watching, niggas plotting and getting. Will I survive? Will I die? Come on, let's picture the possibility giving me charge. Lawyers making them grip. I told the judge I was raised wrong, and that's why I play shit. Was hyper as a kid, cold as a teenager. On my mobile calling big shots. On the scene major, packing hundreds in my drawers. Fuck the law, bitches. I fuck with a passion. I'm living rough and raw. Catching cases at a fast rate, rolling in the fast lane. Hustle till the morning, never stop until the cash came.
It's like what they think. I'm walking around with some keys in my pocket.
All eyes on me.
They think I'm going back to jail. They really on that dope.
Living like it's a thug nigga till the day I die. And I know
y'all watching.
Get your money, motherfucker. Let's get rich and real. Kick it, all eyes on me. Living life as a thug nigga till the